Fantastic. So if we've just been wading through all that setting stuff. You'll be very, very pleased to know that we are now going to look at building an actual store. Now, the first thing I want to do is look at what we already have, what Shopify's already given for us. And I showed this to you briefly in a previous lecture, and I said I'd come back to it. But we basically have the bare bones of a store on which we can build. So let's have another look at that. So online store, and just click on the little eye. Up it comes. First of all, notice my domain name. So it's timsbargaindeals.myshopify.com. All right. This is not a domain that we can really build a store on. myshopify.com is what's called a subdomain. We would want to have www.timsbargaindeals.com ultimately, and I'll show you how to do all that sort of stuff as we go along. But let's see what we've got here. So first off, we've got a logo of sorts, right? Or at least a logo placement holder, Tim's Bargain Deals. And we're on the home page, right? And here we've got a nice big image overlay where we can put some beautiful images telling people exactly what we are selling in our store immediately. We've got the spot for a featured collection where we can drop products in at various prices. There's another thing here with an image with a text that we could do. And another image slide down here. Now, all of these things are fully customizable, but that's what they've given us to start with, which is fantastic. If I click on the catalog, then again, this would be the catalog of perhaps all of the products with the chance to filter or to sort them straight away, already added in. Scroll down, you get the idea straight off the bat, right? Easy. I can search. If I wanted to search for various things, I'd type them in here and it would take me straight to the products or whatever I was looking for within my store. And in the end, we've got the cart, which of course is empty because we haven't done anything. But once we got something into the cart, if I were to click on this continue shopping button, it would take me to the checkout, which itself is already set up as well. So we have straight away a fantastic e-commerce store, at least, the building blocks for the e-commerce store. So let's get stuck in and really start building out something fantastic. It's really going to teach you how Shopify really works.